Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. That's a very easy process. So firstly, open your Instagram. There are two ways basically how you can do this. The first way is for the old way, and the second way is I'm going to show you how to do that for the new way. So for the old way, firstly what you have to do is go to your profile picture at the bottom right, then click on the three lines at the top right. All you have to do is go to settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the option of help. Click on that. Now over here, click on help center. And now over here, just simply search for deactivate account. Now click on the first link over here. Now over here, just simply click on the first option, which is temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Click on that. And now you should see two different types of ways. So this is the first way. So the second way over here is the new way, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But if you scroll up, this is the old way. So if you're using the old Instagram account, you can just simply follow this process. You will be able to deactivate your Instagram account. Now, let's move on to the new way or the current method. It's a very easy process. All you do is just simply come to your profile over here, click on the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, then go to account center. Just simply click on personal details, then click on account ownership and control. Now over here you will have two options. Click on the deactivation or deletion, and then just simply choose your account. So in this case, it's going to be my Instagram account. So click on that. Now over here you will have two options: deactivate your account, delete your account. So just simply choose which one you want, and then just simply click on continue. Now it will ask you your password. All you have to do is just simply enter that. Now after that, all you have to do is just simply click on continue, and then your account will be deactivated. Now if you ever want to come back, all you have to do is just simply log in, and then you will be able to log in back to your original account, and you will be able to use it freely. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.